Introduce highlight features or overview summary of Aucoza music boxing machine. There are features include: the music boxing machine is an innovative and engaging fitness device designed to make exercise enjoyable for children and adults alike. Combining rhythmic movement, interactive lighting, and smart technology, it transforms traditional boxing training into an exciting, sensory-rich experience. One of its standout features is its 3 independently adjustable speed modes: punching mode, rhythm mode, and versus mode. These modes allow users to tailor the intensity and rhythm of their workout for a personalized and motivating training session. With built-in Bluetooth connectivity and high-quality surround sound, kids can enjoy immersive music that enhances their focus and keeps them energized as they punch along. Beyond entertainment, this boxing machine also offers strong educational value. The vibrant, multicolored lights react to movement, capturing children's attention and boosting sensory engagement. These interactive elements help improve hand-eye coordination, reaction speed, and overall physical fitness. As kids follow the rhythm and timing cues, they develop natural body movement control while having fun. The result is a perfect blend of exercise and recreation that encourages active play rather than screen time. Designed for family use, the machine features 5 speed settings and 6 levels of intensity, making it suitable for users of all ages. Whether it's used by boxing lovers, fitness enthusiasts, children building healthy habits, adults trying to lose weight, or seniors staying active, the machine adapts to everyone's needs. The built-in battle mode provides a competitive and interactive twist that encourages parents and children to exercise together, making fitness a bonding activity rather than a chore. The design is also practical and highly durable. With a wall-mounted structure, it saves space and installs easily on different wall surfaces without requiring drilling. The punching area is made from premium foam material that provides excellent shock absorption and rebound. This ensures comfortable impact, preventing strain or injury on children's hands while maintaining durability for long-term use. Overall, the music boxing machine stands out as an ideal blend of technology, fun, and fitness. It is not only a workout tool but also a rhythm-filled adventure that inspires movement and keeps children excited to exercise. For birthdays, holidays, or special celebrations, this makes an excellent gift choice for boys who love action-packed games and energetic activities. It transforms exercise into an engaging experience that is beneficial, interactive, and genuinely entertaining. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.